Yes guys, today I'm in this city of Bergen. As you can see, this statue here, this is tells a big history of Norway. So see this, as you can see, it's a very amazing guys. When you come to this city of Bergen, you will see this thing here. See the view guys. Yeah, so there is a lot of history of Norway, of even this city of Bergen. Yeah, this building is called the Gallery building, and this is Chinese restaurant, China Plus. So you can see this one. This is a big history of this city. Let us continue viewing this city guys. You may see that that man with a spear during those people of Norway, fighters, Vikings. You can see this is the history. So guys, as you can see again, this is Hotel Norway and Hotel Norge. You can see guys. Yeah, if you come to Bergen, you can come to this hotel and book your stay. This is a nice hotel, and it's in the middle of the city center. So this is the view, Bergen Tiden. That is where some newspapers are printed out, or it's a hotel down or restaurant. You can view the whole city of this center. So guys, this is beautiful also. When you come to Bergen, you will see this thing here. It tells the history also guys. See this one. See the view of the whole city guys. As you can see this side also. See the whole city again guys. The vibe is so fantastic. As you can see that building and that statue there. So this is how Bergen looks like today. And that is a tourist bus. When you come to this side, this is the Hotel of Norge, or Hotel Norge, or Hotel Norway. This is Bergen. Let me see how your city look like also, or write your comment. Is Bergen nice city, or this is one part of Bergen guys. This is not the whole city. That is the police car. They control the whole city every day, but you will never see any policeman carrying guns or going around. This is what is called the Bibanen. This transports people from one place to another in the whole city. So guys, when you come to Bergen, you will see these birds. Make sure you don't kill them or do any harm to them. So you will get some punishment if you do anything. See that statue from 1925 guys. From 1925, see. People who knows the history of this man may tell us. Norway is the best country and is a very peaceful country in the whole Europe. So, and when you come to Bergen, you will find this beautiful place here. This beautiful place. Do you see the waterfalls? So this is the view of Bergen, guys. This is fantastic and very nice. See that, guys. And by the way, today is cold weather and we are in Host. As you can see, the leaves of trees, they have become yellow. So we are preparing for the winter now. So Bergen today is calm and as you can see, fog and very cloudy. So but it's not so cold as you may see. So that one is a B-Bahn. This is a B-Bahn which is going to Fyllingsdalen up to the airport of Bergen. So when you come to Bergen, you will see this place where people can rest, where people can come and take a seat during summertime or whether the weather is very nice. But today everywhere is wet. You can't sit on these chairs. So for those who may come to find hotels, that is the Scandic Hotel. That one there, that is Scandic Hotel. And the other side we have an Hotel Norge. So this is Scandic Hotel this side, and when you come to that side, that is Hotel Norge. So another thing, when you come to Bergen, you will see this this sign here, or that statue. This indicates the history of Bergen city. So when you come to Norway, make sure you visit this city. That side is Bergen Center, where all shops and boutiques are located. And this side, this is the view where I have come from. And that side you can buy everything, restaurant and yeah, everything you need to eat, you may find that side. And that side, that is where the Hotel Norge located, and other parts. So those who want to eat, you may come to this